Hi guys, my name is Brolo Giovanni Visconti Urrutia, and now I take about of my camp. First, I love so much the Vikings culture. I love the Vikings. For this, I make my camp with this thematic. The name of my camp is Camp the Vikings. Here we go. Okay, this is a Viking themed camp which lasts a whole weekend, 3 days. Okay, from Friday to Sunday, which is held in Mahalka. Mahalka is a 1 hour for this. Okay, which in our drive, it's very cerca. So it's not that far from the city. Yeah, far. Well, okay, different activities. Okay, the camp consists of young people learning things that they will not learn in the city. Sorry, I learned. De pronto se me va la onda. Okay. Learn things. Okay. Sush has how to make bonfires, take notes, shots with a bone, make a thing with things from the forest, and I don't know much more. Okay. Oh, sorry. The eggs. The eggs to which this camp is animated are young people from 10 to 11, no, 11, to 10 to 15 years old. 10 to 15 years old, yes. And all possible precautions, of course, and protection measures are in this place. Okay, protections. What more? Sorry. Protect for having. Okay. Well, the cost. Well, wherever. The cost are $13 for shield, and includes transported meals, comida, and accident insurance. Seguro de gastos. I don't know remember cómo se dice. It's all. Yes, it's all. Thank you for watching. I like this. I make this and tell you that Viking, we are strong, we believe strong, and we smell strong. It's funny. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. It's all. Good night.